So today I am excited to unbox my new Keurig K Mini Plus, and this is the matte black one. And yeah, I just got it today, so I'm excited. So let's just go straight ahead and get this out of here. Okay, so this is the box, the actual box that it comes in, and it says, you see it says a Keurig K Mini Plus, fits anywhere, less than 13 centimeters. Plus pod storage. It has strong brew, so it brews for a stronger, more intense cup. And it says 177 to 355 milliliters, and a removable 1 cup reservoir, fast and fresh brewed, delicious coffee in minutes. And then it shows you, I guess, the type of pods, the different variety of pods that you are able to use with it. And just in case you're interested in the box, this is kind of what it shows. But I've been waiting all day to open this, so let's just get this open. And it says, welcome to the Keurig family. We're here to help you turn your house into a coffee house, one perfect cup at a time. And you can register your Keurig coffee maker to receive special saving offers. So that's cool. We have a pouch with, I guess, all the instructions, the quick start guide, it says there. And then we'll just slide this open. Slide this open here. And so. Got it upside down here. And here we have it. So right away, I actually really like that it's matte black. It looks kind of sleek and sexy to me. So this right here is the pod storage. So it has the little logo on the actual top of it, and then lots of space to store some of your K-pods, nice and discreetly, which I love because I don't really like a lot of clutter on my counters, which is why I actually purchased this machine, because it's so small, it's so slender and sleek. I know they have the other minis, but they're a little bit bulkier looking to me. So this is very slender. Okay, but that was the storage right there. And we have where we put the pods in. On the top, there's just 2 buttons, and that's for the stronger brew, and then the power button. And actually, there's 3 buttons because then you press this for the start. On the back, we have the removable reservoir, which is awesome. 12 ounces, which is fine for me because it's just me. For the most part, I'm going to be using this machine. But I really like this. It's really cute. I love things that are easy to use. And then we have the cord back here, and it is so easy to pull out and store. Nice and securely in the back if you need to store it away. I'm going to give you a full overview of the machine.